guys, here we are going to see the topic, the birth of the moon. The moon has been circling the earth for more than 4 billion years. But where did it come from? Some scientists thought that it was captured by the earth when it came too close. Others thought that it was once part of the earth. Today, most scientists believe it is the Earth's child. It was born when a wandering planet crashed into the young Earth. Huge amount of material were thrown into space, eventually coming together to form the moon. This big splash theory would explain why the moon's rocks are very similar to those on the Earth. Unlike the Earth, the moon seems to be dead inside. Today, there are no volcanic eruptions and any moon cracks are very small. At its center is a small, solid iron core. There is no magnetic field, so explorers could not use compasses on the moon. What is most widely accepted today is the giant impact theory. It proposes that the moon formed during a collision between the Earth and another small planet about the size of Mars. The debris from this impact collected in an orbit around Earth to form the moon. According to the giant impact hypothesis, Theia orbited the Sun nearly along the orbit of the proto-Earth by staying close to one or the other of the Sun-Earth system to more stable Lagrangian point, that is either L4 or L5. Theia was eventually perturbed away from that relationship by the gravitational influence of Jupiter and or Venus, resulting in a collision between Theia and Earth. Computer simulations suggest that Theia was traveling no faster than 4 km per second when it struck Earth at an estimated 45-degree angle. Originally, the hypothesis supposed that Theia had struck Earth with a glancing blow and ejected many pieces of both the proto-Earth and Theia. Those pieces either forming one body that became the moon or forming two moons that eventually merged to form the moon. Such accounts assume that if Theia had struck the proto-Earth head-on, both planets would have been destroyed, creating a short-lived second asteroid belt between the orbits of Venus and Mars. In contrast, evidence published in January 2016 suggests that the impact was indeed a head-on collision and that Theia's remains can be found in both the Earth and the Moon. The Moon is moving away from Earth at a rate of 3.8 cm per year, but the speed of its retreat has varied over time. Thank you.